From Bhaneshwar Butterwood MC from Kokrajhar. Iman durar pora ahi oti byosotar majoto amar ji SMRC First Foundation that আজি আইকিনে আমাৰ এটা উপস্থিত হৈছে আমাৰ নিমন্ত্ৰণ ৰখাৰ বাবে আপোনাক বহুত ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰিছোঁ আৰু লগতে আমাৰ SMRC ক্লাবৰ ফালৰ পৰা এটি সৰু তেখেতক আমি এটা উপহাৰ দিব ওলাইছোঁ লগতে তেখেতক আমি সন্মান দিবলৈ ওলাইছোঁ আৰু তেখেতক সন্মানটো আগবঢ়াব আমাৰ SMRC চিফ মিষ্টাৰ আঞ্চুমান হাজোৰে এটা হাজোৰে আমাৰ ডাঙৰ হয় আৰু তেখেতক
I'm representing Bhaneshwar Brothers MC from Borough Prison, and it's very humbling and it's very satisfying when you meet fellow riders, and especially SMRC. We have met here in Assam Riders previously, and since that time we are getting more and more closer and closer together. So I hope that in future we'll ride together and you'll ride more miles and you'll grow more. And since SRMC, the first foundation day, I hope you'll be having much more riders, brothers, and you'll be having more mileage, and then you'll be growing all together. And I hope that each and every one of you will support the chief and support the members, each other. And because brotherhood, like when we say brotherhood, it's very easy to say brotherhood, but it's very difficult when in the field, when in the road, to respect each other and to help each other. That is the true brotherhood. So we should remember that all the time. And I hope each and every one of you will shine more brighter, ride more mileage. So thank you very much and congratulations once again to SRMC, all of you brothers. Thank you.
Thank you so much.